This single book makes $3,000 each month, and the most fun thing is it is completely free to start. Not only that, you can create multiple books like this in a very effective way with the help of AI, and this store is collectively generating thousands of dollars each month, and that is not the only listing which is making that much revenue. In order to start your successful business on Amazon KDP, you need only two things. First, you need to be good at researching the product. If you start a good research, there is a high chance you will succeed early. And secondly, you should have little creativity to create good looking books and to give your message to the reader clearly. In this video, we will learn how to research and how to create books with the help of ChatGPT and free tool Canva. And I am pretty sure after watching this video you will be very clear and will be able to start your passive income at KDP. First, we will start researching the product. There are two ways to research the product on Amazon. One is completely free and the second method is with paid tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10. First, we will go with paid ones because it helps you to understand the whole process, and by gaining some experience you will be able to research free ones easily. Let's start by asking ChatGPT to generate some good ideas for our book. Analyzing the result of ChatGPT, we have discovered that selling low content book these days is not very profitable or not a good thing to start because it is so saturated. So we will go with a medium content book. It will take little more effort but will eventually pay back as profit for a longer run. Let's ask ChatGPT again. List it 25 medium content book ideas for KDP Amazon. After researching the whole list, we have decided to go with coloring books, and in more specifically coloring books for girls. Now let's head to the Amazon. In the search bar, type your keyword and analyze the result from the search bar. While selecting your book niche, look for two things: keyword relevancy with your content and your target audience. After analyzing the whole keyword list in the search bar, we have decided to go with coloring books for kids ages 8 to 12-year girls. And now the result page will open. Here you can run the Helium 10 extension on the result page and it will organize all the data. Here are the results of the search page. First, we will sort by revenue so we can see how much they are generating in this niche. It looks promising. Now we will see ratings. All of them are above 4.5, so it means in this niche people are generating good books. So we need to double check our books before publishing in order to perform well. They are selling thousands of units per month. Now we will sort the review column low to high to check if there is any room for new sellers or new sellers making any sales or not. And yes, they are making sales with very less ratings compared to big ones. After these checks, we can start creating books. For design, we will use Canva. First, we design the cover for our book. Here your creativity comes into the picture. If you are not good with this, you can outsource all of your creative book work. It requires little money to start, otherwise you can do it by yourself. We will publish a whole video on creating books in this channel so you can see the whole process and replicate the process for your books. Now just go to the Amazon KDP and sign up for a free account and publish your book or even books in one go. And your book will be live at 13 Amazon marketplaces at the same time, which is quite a big audience. I hope you will like the video. If you do so, then give us a like and subscribe to the channel.